man to come and video. If you want murder me,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Zivis and I'm back with another video. Today I'm back again with another client. So first thing I'm going to do is to draw her brows. Okay, just fill in her brows and draw that. Then the next thing I'll use is my exclusive concealer in the shade 03, and I'm going to just use that under her brow bone area. Then for the beginning of her brows, I'll use a darker shade of my concealer or probably a foundation closer to her skin tone. Okay, you want to make sure you have straight lines. Okay, make sure your line is very straight to have perfect looking brows. Then for the top part of her brows, I'm going to be using the same shade that I use on the beginning of her brows, okay, to just clean all of that up. You want to make sure your lines are very straight. That is the key to perfect brows. For foundation, I'll be using this dark Fit Me foundation and my Ezekiel foundation in the shade Mocha. I'm going to leave the Fit Me shade name down below. I'm just going to mix those two to get her color or her shade of foundation. I didn't just have like the perfect shade, so I had to mix up these two together. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend all of that all over her face. So guys, to highlight her face, I just used the same exclusive concealer that I used under her brows, and I highlighted her under eye, her nose, her cupid bow, her chin, and her forehead. You guys know the routine, guys. I'm sorry I just lost some clips of how I highlighted the rest of her face, but I went ahead to blend in the highlight with my beauty blender. Then after that, I'll go ahead and use my highlight C setting powder to set the areas that I highlighted. Then to bronze up her face or to contour her face, I'm using these two dark shades from my Ezekiel powder palette to just contour her face. Then moving on straight to her eyes, I'm going to be using this dense eyeshadow brush to blend in my exclusive concealer onto her eyes. You want to blend that perfectly well so you don't have your eyeshadow creasing, okay? Then after that, I'll be using this gold highlighter. I'm going to leave the name down below, but this highlighter is really perfect for brown or dark skin, and I'm using this semi-flat eyeshadow brush to place that bronzer onto her eyes. I'm not cutting any crease too serious. I'm just following a certain pattern, okay? So I'm just going to place that gold all over her eyes and all over her crease in a very soft way. I wanted really soft eyes because she wanted red lips as well. Sorry, she wanted red lips, so I didn't want any eyeshadow too harsh. Then to contour her eyes, I'm going to be using that shade that I used to bronze up her face and just go ahead to blend in that gold color that I have there. After blending all of that, I'm going to move on to lining her eyes. I'm going to be using this Kiss Beauty eyeliner. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me.
slow down, girl. Hold on to make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down.
Then for our waterline, you guys know I always love doing my clients waterline. Like, it's so beautiful when I do this. So I'm using the Million Pauline black gel liner to line her waterline. Then for blush, I'll be using this orange shade from this eyeshadow palette to blush up her face, just to make her makeup look very warm. Then for bronzer, or for highlighter, sorry, I'm going to be using the same gold highlighter that I used on her eyes to highlight her nose, her brow bone, her inner tear ducts, her jaw or her cheeks, and her mouth. Then I'm going again with my powder brush to blend out that highlighter because I felt like it was too much. Okay, moving on to my favorite part, yes, the lips. I'll use my Million Pauline gel liner in the brown shade to first of all line her lips. Okay, we're going in for red lips, but I try to always create a red background because I don't want the client's lips to just look like, oh, she has red lipstick. No, I wanted, like, you know, to create that illusion. Okay, so I'm going to line her lips with the brown Million Pauline gel liner very lightly, and I'm just going to blend that in. Then for the red lipstick, I'm going to be using the ZKL red lipstick. So I'm going to place that lipstick all over her lips and then go ahead to blend in the brown color that I have there with the red, because you don't want it looking like that. Okay,
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, something me pay or chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby,
so I went in with more lipstick and I just went ahead to blend everything, sprayed her face and applied her lashes, and that's practically it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do an upload. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
How they want to ginger me today, make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl and Mr. DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl and we getting high all night long. Bulaka, she love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing.